Okay, now we will check the continuity of rotor and carbon brush, if there is connection or there is continuity. We will set first the tester on continuity test. Just press select. Okay, then we will remove the regulator. Have two pins connected to rotor. This is carbon brush. Okay, we will check the continuity. Okay, check the continuity. Okay, there is continuity. It means the rotor and carbon brush is all okay. Now we will check again the alternator without regulator. Be sure to select the tester on diode testing. Positive and negative. No, there is no reading. Okay, we will reverse the probe of tester. Okay, there is reading already. It means the alternator is okay, the rectifier is okay. No reading. Suppose you reverse, there is reading, so this is okay. The problem is this one, regulator. We will order first the regulator. Okay, now I found a good regulator. This one is the old installed here. This one is the new pla. I get to the other. I get to this one defective also alternator. So we will try if the reading is also the same last. Okay. Okay, we will install now. Okay, installed already. Okay, if the regulator is okay, we will know it. Ground, let's put it to the ground, in here to battery connection. Okay, there is reading. Now we will change the probe. Okay, change already. There is no reading. It means this regulator is okay. Okay, we will try the old one that installed here. This is the old one. This is defective. There is reading. There is already reading. If we interchange the probe, there is reading also. entered. There is reading also. This is not good. Okay, thank you for watching.